So the notes begin on string 1, the thinnest string, at the 3rd fret to the open string. Then we go 2nd fret, and then we move to string 2, 4th fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 1st fret, open string. So let's cover the notes on string 1 again on their own. Now just the notes on string 2. Then we're going to do a nifty picking technique where we go down, up, down, up, down. This is essentially using alternate picking, though there's various techniques at play here, but it's really crucial to be able to do this quickly. Going between 2 strings, do it with a down motion and then an up motion in these type of, when we're going between 2 strings in this fashion. So string 2, string 1, first finger string 2, string 1, and then string 2 again. Now we can do it in a way where each string isn't ringing out at all times. There's various muting happening there, but an easier way, just keep them ringing out. It's much more advanced to be able to just get only one string ringing out at one time, which involves muting with this finger and also muting with this hand as well. Recap. 1, 2, 3. That's halfway through already. The next part goes between string 3 and 4 initially. Open string, 2nd fret, open string, 4th fret, 1st fret of string 2, open string 2. Back to the highest note we've done so far as well. And the ending, 4th fret, 2, open, 2, 4. That higher section again. Second half on its own.